Hello friends, welcome to our kitchen. Today we are giving a delicious makeover to leftover matar or white peas curry by turning it into crispy cutlets. Perfect as a snack or a quick meal. Let's start. First, take your leftover matar or white peas curry and add it to a pan. Cook on medium heat until it thickens to a paste-like consistency. Once thickened, transfer it to a mixing bowl and let it cool. Next, take some bread slices and tear them into small pieces. Add the bread pieces to the bowl with the thickened curry. Now add freshly chopped coriander, add chopped onions, add chopped green chillies, add garam masala powder. If needed, add little salt. Mix everything thoroughly to form a consistent mixture. Take small portions of the mixture and shape them into cutlets using your hands. Heat oil in a frying pan or tawa over low to medium heat. Place the cutlets in the hot oil. Cook until both sides are golden brown, flipping them as needed to ensure even cooking. If needed, add little oil. This frying pan will require less oil for frying, so it is healthier. Remove the cutlets from the oil. Serve these delicious cutlets hot for the best taste. Enjoy your crunchy, tempting snack. Ingredients list is in description. Try this recipe and let us know how it turned out. Until next time, happy cooking and happy eating. Bye. Thank you.